Hello, my name is Anushka Sonone. I'm from CSEC. My roll number is CS165. My topic is traditional error handling versus exceptional handling, a comprehensive comparison. Readability and code structure. Traditional error handling. Code logic is often interpressed with the error checks, making the main flow harder to flow. Requires explicit checks after almost every operation, leading to verbose code. Can result in spaghetti code if not carefully managed, with error paths branching frequently. Maintenance become challenging as changes to error handling affect multiple code sections. Exceptional handling separates normal program flow from error handling logic, improving clarity. Allow for cleaners and more concise primary code blocks. Error bubble up the call stack so handling can occur at any appropriate level. Promotes modularity and easier refactoring as error handling is centralized. Performance implication. Traditional handling generally has minimum runtime overhead when no error occurs, as it involves simple conditional jump and function calls. However, constant checking can add up. Predictable execution flow can be optimized by compilers, potentially leading to faster code or successful path. Exceptional handling involves significant overhead when an exception is actually thrown and caught. This includes stack unwinding and object creation for an exception itself. Zero or minimum overhead when no exception occurred. At the JIT compiler can optimize away exception related code if it's never triggered. Error propagation. How each approach handles error when they occur deep within nested function calls. Traditional manual chaining. Error must be passed up the call stack explicitly by each function. Each intermediate function need to check and re-return error codes can lead to deeply nested conditional checks and error passing logic. Risk of error being forgotten or ignored if a function in the chain fails to propagate. Exceptions. Automatic unwinding. When an exception is thrown, it automatically unwinds the call stack until a matching catch block is found. Intermediate functions do not need explicit error passing logic, keeping them cleaner. Ensure that errors are not silently ignored unless explicitly handled. Can be caught and rethrown with additional context, forming an error chain. Real world example. Traditional error handling is often favored in performance critical systems like embedded programming or device drivers, where predictable execution and minimal overhead are paramount. For instance, a low level network driver might use return code to signify a packet drop, as raising an exception would be too costly. Exception handling shines in complex, multi layered applications like enterprise software or web services. A common success story involves databases where a failed transaction, example due to constraint violation, raises an exception, allowing the application roll back the entire operation gracefully without explicit check at very SQL call. Best practices. When to use each. Traditional error handling. Low level code. Drivers, embedded system, performance critical loops. Expected outcomes for errors that are part of normal anticipated program flow. Example, user input validation. Resource constraints where memory and CPU overhead for exceptions are unacceptable. Simplicity in very small, self contained functions where clarity isn't compromised. Exception handling. Exceptional circumstances for events that disrupt normal program execution, example, file not found, network failure, invalid arguments to API. Complex applications in large layered system where errors need to propagate across multiple modules, resource cleanup when guaranteed execution of cleanup code, example finally blocked, is essential. Maintainability to produce cleaner, more readable code by separating error logics. Choosing the right approach depend on the context, language, and specific requirements for your application. A pragmatic approach often combines both, using exceptions for truly exceptional events and traditional method for expected error condition. Thank you.